Hello guys, what's up once again? This is Palaboy OFW and I'm going to make vlog now using my body camera. So how are you today, man?
Good, great.
From which country are you?
I come from India.
Your name?
Hemant.
Okay, how many years here in Kuwait?
6 years.
6 years?
Yes.
Then this is your second company or
Yeah,
first
this
company?
is my second company. First I work in the Americano food company, AAB, KFC.
KFC.
Yes.
Before, it is good or no?
No, not too much salary.
But good. Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, lipat naman tayo sa mga ibang tropa natin, mga Lodi. Ikot ko lang kayo sa aming showroom. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ang ginagawa ng mga tropa natin dito. So, yan si Julius, si customer. Ito yung namin, DJI flight testing sa mga drones. Kung ikaw ay filmmaker, alam mo yung DJI. Ito yung counter area namin, mga Lodi. Yan. So, ito yung PTZ camera. Sikri, hi. Kalas. Yeah. So, ito yung mga lightings sa area natin. Sale to, 15% na, mga Lodi. Ito yung broadcast studio. Meron tayong cinema camera, may ilaw, may podcast setup. Yan o. Para kayo nasa podcast area, broadcast area. Pero ito yung pinaka maganda dito, paborito kong section. Ang podcast station. Sponsored by Shure Microphone. Kasi lahat ng mga microphone dito is Shure Microphone. Except sa audio interface natin. Rode company yan. Yan, may camera rito. Kung gusto nyo mag-video podcast, may FX6. Ito naman yung lighting setup natin for studio. So, namimili yung mga customer natin dito kung anong ilaw na gagamitin. Mostly strobe photography. Background papers. Ito yung mga monitors natin, production. Gumaganda mga production house. Depende sa mga quality. Yan. So, yun, mayroon tayong mga plugs dito. Screen for filmmaking, mga ilaw natin, malalakas na ilaw. Yan. Alright. So, yan, mga customer natin nandito. Yun. Okay, guys. So, this is my good friend, Home.
Hello, sir.
Yes, this is one of the best crew now so far because he's doing well.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing because he sells a lot today.
Thank
and
you,
even yesterday. Congratulations.
You guys will support me, that's why I'm selling
Yeah,
well.
yeah. He's our new staff that he forgot to treat us.
No, we will wait for
Okay.
No, just wait.
Because every time new coming and then they will treat
Rules
us.
here, right?
Yeah, these are the rules.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
All right.
Para your name, this is our new staff. Pinchu?
Yeah.
Pinchu. Pinchu is our new staff and the other guy. Yes. So, yan yung mga bago nating tropa, mga idol. And then, yun lang sa ngayon, mga Lodi. Araw-araw, kukwentuhan ko kayo tungkol sa aking trabaho rito at saka sa mga kasama natin. Hello, what is your name, friend?
My name is Ajit.
Sajid.
Ajit.
Ajid.
Aywa.
Aywa. And this is the handsome guy. Your name?
Safiullah.
Yeah, this is our good guy here, helping customers, bringing everything, cleaning.
Okay.
Alright?
Inshallah.
So, yan. Mga tropa natin dito sa loob ng company dito sa AAB World. Ang pinakamalaking camera dito sa Middle East. Camera shop, I mean. So, yun lang mga idol, Palaboy OFW here. Pinoy Vloggers in Kuwait 2.0, Rapis Steel, and Brian Puntanar. Mabuhay.